Hello everyone, this is a quick fix for the extension Return YouTube Dislikes. Everything that you need in this video will be in the description down below, so let's get on with it. First you need to download TamperMonkey from the first link in my description. The second thing is to download the user script from the second link in my description. After you download the user script, this thing will pop up. You need to click install. After that is done, what you need to do is go to your extensions, find TamperMonkey, create a new script, then go to the installed user scripts, and you will see return YouTube dislike from your list. Click on it, and what you need to do is copy the third thing in the description, which is function getDislikeButton. And what you need to do after copying it is pressing ctrl+f and paste it in here by ctrl+v, and then after it's found, what you need to do is copy the 16 lines or so that I put in the description, copy it, and replace these texts. Ctrl+C from the description and Ctrl+V here. After it's done replacing it, what you need to do is press Ctrl+S, that is going to save it, and press modify. After it's done, it says operation completed successfully. Let's go back to YouTube. Refresh the page to see if that fixed the problem. It did. Thanks for watching.